Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Twilio Flex. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Twilio. And if you don't have an account yet, so you just have to sign up for one. And then here at the left side, we have these options. So we have your phone numbers, messaging, voice, email, verify, and the flex. So you just have to tap on this one and tap on the overview. So before that, let me discuss you what is Twilio Flex. So this one is a cloud-based, fully programmable contact center platform. You can think of it like a modern call center dashboard that handles voice, SMS, chat, WhatsApp, web chat, and more from one place. So it gives businesses a complete interface where agents can, talk to customers, manage conversations, route tasks, and see context about each customer, all in a customizable way. So it's a built on top of Twilio's communication APIs like voice, messaging, routing, and etc. But adds a ready-to-use agent interface and contact center workflows. So when we tap on this one, we have these field right here. So you can tap on this to learn more about Twilio Flex. So you have to upgrade your Twilio account to add the Flex. So to do that, just have to tap on this upgrade your Twilio account. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you will be directed to this section. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So here you just have to choose your country, and then next is you have to upload a photo ID. So the tool needs to take a photo of your ID to verify your identity, and you have to use a valid and expired government issued ID that contains a photo of yourself. Okay, so here let's just go to the overview. So first is you have to set up a primary customer profile to register your primary business, and they will verify you as a trusted sender. And then you can create secondary profiles for yourself or your customers, which will also be verified. And then once your required customer profiles have been set up, you can get started with the trust products listed below. So we have that right here. Now for the pricing, okay, so let me just go to the pricing. So here you can see the pricing. So let's just go to the old pricing. So we can start for free, then you can pay as we go. So just sign up for free trial, no credit card required, and you can unlock the volume discount as you scale. So for the communication, you can send and receive the SMS and MMS messages. For the RCS, you can send and receive the RCS messages. And for the WhatsApp Business API, send and receive the WhatsApp messages. And you can cross-channel conversations on SMS, WhatsApp, chat, and MMS, and then embed reliable calling into any application, and then deliver email at scale with the email API. So you can also use this one. So we have private connections to protect your communication. Okay, so the solution for this one is you can see right here we have for teams, for industry, and for company size. For example, for industry, we have financial services. Okay, so we have for banking, we have for insurance, we have for wealth management, especially for payments. So for payments, we have secure payments communication. So communication tailored to individual customer preferences at scale, payment confirmations delivered via alerts and notifications, frictionless authentication for new and returning customers in milliseconds, and communications and customers channel of choice, including the SMS and WhatsApp. So if you want to full details of this website, you just have to visit the Twilio Flex, and then you can create your account. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.